Hello and welcome to Session 2, Get Started Building with Power BI. I'm Andrew Conniff, a Microsoft technical trainer specializing in data and AI. Let's jump right on in. In this session, we'll explore how Power BI services and applications work together, and how Power BI can make your business more efficient, and how to create compelling visuals and reports. Microsoft Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Power BI Desktop is a free application you install on your local computer that lets you connect to, transform, and visualize your data. The Power BI service brings together dashboards, workspaces, reports, and semantic models for collaboration and sharing with your organization. Power BI Mobile connects you to your cloud and on-premise data wherever you are. How you use Power BI might depend on your role on a project or a team, and other people in other roles might use Power BI differently, which is just fine. The typical Power BI workflow involves connecting to data with Power BI Desktop, transforming and modeling with Power BI Desktop, and creating visuals and reports with Power BI Desktop. And then we publish our reports to the Power BI service. And then we can distribute and manage those reports using Power BI services. The building blocks of Power BI are semantic models and visualizations. Create a semantic model and then use visuals to build a report. Let's explore these items in more detail and how they relate to the flow of Power BI. A semantic model consists of all connected data, transformations, relationships, and calculations. And to follow the flow of Power BI, you first connect to data and then transform it and create relationships and calculations, and that is our semantic model. So first, we connect to as many data sources as we need. Then we clean and transform the data to our needs and add relationships between the tables and calculations to extend the semantic model. After all of that, you now can create a report. In Power BI Desktop, when creating a visual, you add the appropriate visual to the canvas on the report page. You want to ensure the page is easy to understand, using additional pages rather than putting too many visuals on one page and trying to convey too much information on a single page. One of the most valuable features of Power BI reports is the interactivity between visuals. Report consumers can select different data points on the visuals and see how it affects the other visuals. So depending on your design, they can also drill through from one visual to a detail or filter based on the different fields in the report. This concludes our session. There are many ways to continue your learning journey. We encourage you to watch the other videos in this course or search out your next favorite topic on Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn.